This tutorial shows you how to copy discussion questions from Blackboard to a Microsoft Word file, so you're able to work on your answer offline in Microsoft Word. Click on Discussions link on the course menu. In this course, the discussion questions are shown on the description box of a discussion forum. Highlight the questions. Right-click on the highlighted questions and select Copy. You can also copy the text by using CTRL C keys on your keyboard. Then you open Microsoft Word with a blank file. Select Paste. You can also paste the text by using CTRL V keys on your keyboard. Now you have questions copied to the Word file. To save the file, go to File, select Save As. Locate the folder where you would like to save the file. Type the file name and click on Save. The file with discussion questions is saved on your computer. You may close the Microsoft Word entirely. If you would like to open the file you just saved and work on the answers, minimize the Blackboard window, look for the folder where the file was saved, and double-click on the file to open.